What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be quarantining with you guys at home unboxing. So today I heard the doorbell ring and I already knew it had to be my package. So it was my package. But the only thing is I forgot my package upstairs. So now I gotta go upstairs and get my stuff. But it's 2020. We don't walk anymore. We teleport. Watch this. Yeah. I'm back. Told you. We teleport out here. We do not walk no more. I don't need to use my car. I just clap and I'm out. So Ktuned just sent me some parts for the interior. And I'm happy. Cause I never had these parts. I never ran these parts in my car. But I know people that has them, and I figured, I could do an unboxing. So we're gonna unbox this first box here. Hold on. Let me show you what it is. Yeah, this is the Billet shifter plate. You know what I mean? It comes with your little Ktuned sticker. My sticker, kind of a little messed up, but I'm pretty much sure I got another one in my other box. Got some nice bolts, Allen key. Ooh! Then we got this icy ass billet plate. Man, that's this Ktuned on the side. Woo, woo, woo. Yo, this thing is like diamond ice, like hanging on my chest. Yeah, it look like platinum. Nah, man, this thing is nice and clean. So this plate, if you guys want to run your shifter in EG, EK, DC chassis, so this plate helps you bolt it in. These two bolts is gonna bolt into to the stock. There's like stock holes, I guess, for a shifter. Bro, you interrupted. Come on now. There's stock holes on the car. On Integra, I believe it's different from the rest of them, if I'm not mistaken. I know my brother's running this plate and the Ktuned shifter. He told me that line up the two back holes and then drill your two front holes for it and then bolt your stuff in. So I guess it's it's only on the DC chassis, which is Integra. I'm not sure, but this plate is what helps you bolt it in without making new holes where the shifter goes. The shifter is gonna bolt on the outside. So, nah, this thing is it's like blinding me out here. All right, let's put this back in the bag. Yo, I'm afraid to scratch this thing. I don't even want to use it. That's how clean this is. I don't even want to use it. Let's unbox the big part. The shifter. The main part. And I don't got no razor blade, no nothing. I got these big ass scissors. Alright, here we go. The box even nice. I don't even want to mess up the box. Nice black box. I can use this for anything. Alright, I'm gonna cut myself. Alright, here we go. Wow, I had a knife in here. Yeah. Well, I tell you, we got another nice little sticker. Oh, we got two. Oh, we got a box in the box. Alright, I see where we're going with this. Ugh. Oh, come on, bro. Here we go. Yeah. Box in a box. I love this. It just keep going. Now, let me get my knife out. My little flimsy ass knife. We gonna cut this one up. I think I flipped it upside down. Damn. Well, unboxing it is unboxing. Like a kid when it comes to car parts. Alright, here we go. Yeah, it is upside down. We got instructions. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, now we talking. Now we talking. We got something real nice over here. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Ice. This look like it's supposed to be on a display or something. I don't even want to put the shifter in no more, man. Damn, this thing nice. Hold on, let me put it down gently. Got some bags out here. Ooh, wow, oh, this is heavy, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna drop it, man. Alright, we got some more ice. Yeah, get off, B. So, oh, we got tape on it too? Oh, we don't want to lose that. Yeah, so I guess this piece right here I got an Allen key. I should have brought my Allen key stuff down. So I guess you're gonna put this on top of your shifter like so, and then you're gonna bolt it in. There's a bolt up here. I could you know, twist it down a little bit, kinda. Oh no, it's going. Yeah, I really like this shifter. So this shifter. Oh, we got. Oh, okay, all right, my bad. What else we got up there? Nothing. All right. Now we got a shifter out. Nice and clean. You know what I mean, nigga? Your side to side. Whew, this thing feels straight. Yo, I'm really digging this shifter. The only car I drove with this shifter was my brother's car. I don't know if he has this shifter. This is the new one that's out right now. This is the V2, and to be honest, I'm not too sure what's different about the V2. Yeah, I don't remember. All I just know, this is the V2. I'm sorry, this is my first Ktuned shifter. I'm not too familiar with what the V2 comes with. I didn't read up on it, I'm gonna be honest with you, but you know, we got bolts over here. Looks like you could add on something, and a nice ass billet shifter. Nah, this is clean. I wish I really knew, you know, some of you guys probably looking at this video and telling me like, yo man, you don't know a damn thing. But I don't. All I just know is gonna shift my car. That's all I'm worried about. I wanna put everything in smooth butter. I don't wanna miss a gear. Alright, so let's bolt it on the plate. I don't know if there's a certain directions, don't look like it. So your shifter is gonna bolt on the outside of this thing. So let's do that. Bolt everything up. Yeah. So on the outside there are these washers. So we're gonna put these washers on first and then bolt them down. Let me get my flimsy ass knife again. Alright. Open up the bag. Yes sir. Washers. And mind you, these go on the outside of the shifter. I'll put them all around. Gonna bolt it to the plate. Bolts. Screw them down a little bit. I don't know if it doesn't look like, they all look like the same size. No, one is longer than the other. So let's see if I can show you this. So they are, this one is longer than the other. You'll see. I'm sure that these go in the other holes, but I'm gonna have to take this back apart and show you something. I just want to, you know, bolt it down real quick and you know, take a look. So this is how your shifter is gonna look when you have it bolted down, bolts on the outside. But when you're putting it in, the plate has to go in first because you cannot slide your other bolts, your longer bolts, through with a hole at. this hole. It's just gonna sit on top. See that? But let's unbolt it real quick. Alright, I'm gonna shift it back off. So that bolt I was telling you about, it goes in here. Put those two in first. Bolt the plate down, and then you could bolt the shifter in because the other ones is gonna sit inside the shifter. So it's gonna actually sink inside of it like that. If you can see. Oh, let me hold this right. See? Drops right in, and then it's gonna go through that and the shifter. But I think you know, it's a good question. I think this is still the same way. I think you bolt. No. Yeah. So. Bolt the shit. Oh. So yeah. You're gonna bolt in your shifter first. Well, the plate, I'm sorry. You're gonna bolt in your plate first. You're gonna put these bolts in this hole. Bolt that in, bolt this in, bolt this in, bolt that in. Bang. Bolt in your shifter, and then you put, well, I keep saying shifter. This ain't no damn shifter. You bolt in your plate. Boom. Bolt in your plate, then you put this over everything. Once everything drops in, then you bolt in, you bolt on your shifter. Then now you got everything installed. But like I said, on DC it's a little bit different. You have to bolt in the plate first with the two back holes. Don't bolt in it all the way, and drill it. Drill 2 holes. They give you some nuts here. So you slide this through, and then you nut in your plate. Only in the 2 front holes. So, with that being said, I am going to be doing an installation. Don't know when, probably tomorrow, because I got an update on the Integra. Underneath is done, it's painted. If you guys watched the last vlog, everything is completed under the Integra. I dropped the fuel tank. I actually got to paint the fuel tank tomorrow. The fuel tank is primed. I primed it before I left work. And the undercarriage is painted. So I think I'm going to bolt this shifter in tomorrow. So we going to have some content for tomorrow. But yeah, that's mainly it with the Ktuned shifter. So that's mainly it for today's vlog. Wanted to unbox the shifter and show you guys the nice plate that this thing comes with. The shiny plate that could actually blind you. Tomorrow I'll give you guys an update on the Integra and install the shifter box. Might as well, since, you know, I unboxed it now, and you know, I'm like that guy who buys thing and install it like that. So, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Keep up with the Integra vlogs. Keep up with the updates, because it's coming quick. I believe this Friday I'm actually getting another motor, because I have a block for it. But, you know, I think I'm going to get another motor because I could get a whole long block. Pistons and rods is on the way. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next vlog.